Hello and welcome to AP Computer Science first semester. I just wanted to highlight some of the things on Schoology. Obviously, I'm going to use Schoology quite a bit to keep track of um, assignments and what's going on in class, right? So I think every teacher does a little bit differently. So I want to make sure that my stuff was clear for you. The first one is I'll put everything on the calendar here, right? So any events that are coming up, assignments, what we did in class, it's all on there. And to see past days, it's kind of goofy. You got to click this little calendar icon, and then it'll pop everything up. So let's see, this is from first semester, so I got to go back a little bit. But actually, I don't know why it doesn't show up there. But at any rate, you'll see stuff there from the days, from every day we did. So if we're gone or something, you can go back and look at what was done that day. You just got to click the little calendar icon there. Okay, other big thing is this class is a little bit different because there's a lot of electronic files. So I'm going to send files out to you, but also I'm going to get files back from you. All right, so I put this link here about the lesson notes and class code. All right, and so if you click on that, it'll take you into a Google Drive folder, and there will be a bunch of stuff in here. Loads here in a second. Okay, so it's organized by chapter, and so you can see for chapter 1, if I click in there, blazing fast internet apparently today. It's going. So there's starter code. Sometimes I'll give you like the start of a program, and so you can gather the code from here, right? And the best way to do that, I don't actually know if I have any for chapter 1. The best way is you download it, and then drag it into Eclipse. And probably, I don't think I have anything for chapter 1, so maybe that's not the best. But then here will be any of the lesson notes we go over. And then also if I code something up in class and you want to look back on what we did in class, you can go here and find it there. So you can see here's all the lesson notes. You can just click on them to open them. And then here's some code if you want to see some code that we did in class. Again, you can just click on it. And it should open up right inside of Google here. You can see kind of the notes from this day. Okay, so that's how I'm going to send stuff out to you is I'll put it in the starter code and then obviously lesson notes and stuff. For you to turn things in, I made a separate Google Drive folder where you turn in, right? And I made a folder for each one of you where you just drag your programs when you're done. All right, so to find your folder, if you just search for turn in with no spaces, you should find one with your name on it. I've got a lot of them here because here's all my different students from previous year, but you will have just one with your last name first, then your first name, and then turn in. But if you just search for turn in, you should be able to find it, and then that's how you turn stuff in. All right, so inside of that folder too, you'll see like little grade sheets. When I grade stuff, I'll put feedback in these sheets. And then you put yours just in this regular folder here, the turn-in folder. And then once I grade them, I'll drag them into graded. So they'll be saved there for you for future reference. But that's how I determine what I have or have not graded yet. So you put it here, and then I will drag it and grade it. And then you can click on these little docs to see what your grades are. Actually getting files in here, there's a couple different ways. One, you can do new and then file upload. And then you just have to navigate to your workspace, where your workspace is, and find your .java files to turn in. That would be one way to do it. I can do it here for you, I guess, if you want. I have a bunch of workspaces on my desktop here. So I just go wherever, go into source, find my programs, hit shift, and click, and you can highlight them all and open and turn them in that way. Otherwise, you can drag them. So here I am inside of Eclipse. If you just grab your .javas and drag them, so I drag them down to my, oh, sorry, that didn't show up, but I drag them down to my Chrome icon on the bottom and then drag them in here and just let them go, right? So a couple different ways for you to turn stuff in. Okay, and then, like I said, I'll grade them from that. All right, let's see the rest of it out here. I think in general class files, there's a thing for how to get to our online book, and here's directions for it. So if you need that, that's there. At the very bottom, I do use this AP site a lot to do practice free response, and multiple choice questions. So definitely we'll use this from time to time, and there'll be a class code. It'll be different for your, this is a previous year, but you have to join the class the first time, and then after that, you'll just go on and I'll do a lot of questions and stuff for you on there. All right, I think that's it. Look forward to working with you this year, and please fire away questions if you can't find anything. Thank you.